What's going on, everyone? Hey, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 10 websites that you can actually make $100 per day. So make sure to stick around up to the end of this video because I am going to be sharing with you amazing bonuses. And also remember to hit that subscription button below, and also remember to hit the notification button below. And also I'll always appreciate if you leave a comment. And with that, let's actually dive in straight into my laptop. So the first website that you can actually start making money with online is known as the Dream Giver. The Dream Giver. So what is the Dream Giver? As you can see on my screen, the Dream Giver, it's $100 worth of hotel travel. And what happens is, on the $100 on hotel travel, what you can use the $100 for is you can actually give the $100 for free. It's 100% free. You just give someone the $100, and what happens is you are given a marketing bonus of $50. So how can you really become part of the Dream Giver community? I have actually left a link below which I am talking about my #1 way to make money online. I want you to dive inside. Click that link, the first link in the description below, my #1 recommended way to make money online. Click on that link, and after you've clicked on it, I'll be actually reaching out to you and I'll be sending you some information on how you can become a Dream Giver. So that's how you're able to make $100 using the Dream Giver card because let's take a look at this. You earn a marketing bonus when you give your friends, your family, or you give anyone who is interested in traveling. And hey, let me tell you something. Travel is an 8 trillion industry, so each and every people want to travel. As soon as the COVID is over, as soon as the quarantine is over, and right now we are getting back to traveling as usual, everybody will want to travel. So guess what? This is the early time that you should actually start giving out these cards. And as soon as you give out a free card, it's totally free card, to someone who is interested in travel, what happens is you are given a $50 marketing bonus when someone uses the $100 card, all of it. So the $100 card, that means that's $100 on hotel travel, $100 that are redeemable, and someone can really use it on hotel travel. And that's how you can make. Just take a look. Just think about this, giving out only 2 cards each and every day, and that's $50, that's $100, and that's how you're able to make money online using this website. So let's actually jump to the next. And how are you able to benefit from this? Because as soon as you give out a free $100 to someone, you get back $50 as commission. That's how you're paid a commission. And then also some amount of the income that is generated, it actually goes back to help a child. So if you want to know more details on how you can become a Dream Giver, I want you to hit the first link whereby it's talking about my #1 recommended way to make money online. Just click on it. It will take you to a short page that will be explaining to you how we are working and how you're making money in the travel industry. Fill in your name, fill in your email, fill in your information, and stick around up to the end so that you may not miss my other 9 websites that I'll be sharing with you here on this video that will be helping you to make money in 2020. So what is the second website? We all know the second website. The second website is YouTube. And as you're watching this video on YouTube, you can actually be making money from watching and posting videos on YouTube. And let me just jump straight on YouTube, and let me show you exactly how personally I am doing that and how personally you can do that. As you can take a look at this, this is my YouTube channel, and what happens is I promote different things on my YouTube channel. For example, how can you really do that? Let's take a look at the first video, that the most recent video that I've already uploaded on my YouTube. When I click on the first video, what will be happening is you'll be seeing a lot of descriptions down below, and on the descriptions, as soon as you click, I am able to, these are some of the affiliate things that I'm associated with by providing value on YouTube. And hey, that's the exact thing that you're training a lot of people to do online so that they may be able to make some extra income. And if you click on this, on one of these links, I am able to make money from them in one way or the other. So that's how you can be able to make money from it. But let me give you another bonus way that you can actually really make money on YouTube. So let's dive into the search button and let's type fast trains. Okay, fast trains. As soon as you type fast trains, you can see the videos that have fast trains, they have a lot of views. And how can you really able to really get that? Come here to the filter button and click on, come here to Creative Commons. What does Creative Commons means? Creative Commons means that on this video you are allowed to actually just copy and paste these videos. And you can see some of these videos, what is happening is, take a look at this, 16 million views. Take a look at this, 1 million views, 10 million views, 7 million views. So what you can do is you can actually just come and download this YouTube video, and after you've downloaded it, make an amazing catchy thumbnail. A catchy thumbnail, it's this first image that you're seeing before you click the video. Just create a good thumbnail, and what will be happening is you can still upload it on your YouTube channel because it is a Creative Commons video. And what will be happening is you will not be charged by anything, and you can leverage that. So you know, on YouTube, people really are charged by the amount of views that they get. All right, on YouTube you actually get paid from amount of views and how many times are people visiting your site. So these are some of the, you can actually even use FIFA, you can use football if you love football, if you love music, you can really do a lot with Creative Commons and upload the videos. And then what will be happening is, because these are things that people are searching, people will be coming on your YouTube channel, they'll be watching it, and that's how you'll be getting paid from YouTube. The other website that you can actually get paid from is a website that we call Transcribeme. Okay, this is the website, Transcribeme. As you can see on top here, Transcribeme. And how are you really able to get paid through on Transcribeme? On Transcribeme, what it is a site whereby you're able to listen to different audios, and after listening to different audios, what happens is you are able to transcribe. That means listening to the audios and converting them into text. And how are you able to get started with Transcribeme? Here's the thing, no need to look for work, it comes to you. That's an advantage of it. Transcribe whenever and wherever you want, so you have no limited time. You have no boss who is telling you, hey, you're supposed to get into the office this time. Work as much as little as you like, and then transcribe short 2 to 4 minutes clips, no longer interviews, which is very, very amazing. So what you want to do is just come and search Transcribeme. As soon as you search Transcribeme, it will bring you to their website here. Make sure you fill all your emails, account information, first name, last name, email, password, confirm your password, and every details information that they're asking you here, so that they may approve you and they may take you to the next step. So that's how you're able to actually make money from transcribing. It's just listening to different audios, and after listening to different audios, you are really able to transcribe them into text. And these are, as you have seen here, these are only 2 to 4 minutes clips that will really help you crush it. And you can imagine how many clips can you do if they're 2 to 4 minutes per day. And that's how you can be able to make money online using that website. So the other website is Upwork. Upwork, it's mainly based for affiliates and affiliate marketers. So what happens in Upwork and how it works is you're able to look for a project that you can work for someone. Maybe it's designing, maybe it's writing for them, maybe it's doing their school projects, any other thing, depending on your skills and what you have. Okay, and you're able to get hired quickly on Upwork. And this is what happens: you work efficiently and effectively and send active files. And this is actually, I really love Upwork because it is very, very convenient, until it will really help you get paid on time. Here's the thing, get paid on time. That's how you want to be paid. And when you are on Upwork, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a PayPal account. That's another website that you're able to make $100 from it. I'll be showing you. So all you can do to get access to this, just go to the internet, click Upwork, and after click Upwork, make sure you come to how it works. Don't first read everything on how it works, so that you may really understand on how it will really help you to make money online. The other website is Max Bounty. All right, Max Bounty, it's an amazing website whereby, and you can see they say that they anticipate to evolve and think one step ahead of the industry, ensuring that those who work with us do the same. And this is a marketing platform. Okay, what they do is they drive traffic to different products, they drive traffic to different products that have been produced outside there. And what you can do, how can you really make money from Max Bounty? You can make money from Max Bounty by becoming an affiliate. And how can you become an affiliate? On their website, as soon as you type Max Bounty on Google, it will bring you to this page. And after this page, there is advertisers, there is affiliates. So you want to come here, click on the affiliate button. After you have clicked on the affiliate button, it will be able to bring you on this website whereby it tells you promote high converting cost per action. Cost per action means as soon as someone clicks your link, okay, clicks your link that is connected to your Max Bounty account, you are able to get a commission based on the agreement. It may be 30%, 40%, 50%, or less than that. So it really depends on which product you are promoting. So you can imagine having thousands and thousands of people clicking your link. That's what we call click per that is what we call cost per action. Okay, cost per action. What does it cost for a buyer to click your link that Max Bounty has shared to you? That's amazing, and that's why I really like Max Bounty. Such an amazing site. So I've shown you how to get access to it. You can get inside there and learn more information about it. And the other site is Honeygain. All right, Honeygain is actually very easy to use, very reliable, and very interesting. And you really don't need to put a lot of work when it comes to Honeygain. Honeygain, what happens is it's make money online with Honeygain, and this is how it works. This is you, and you need just to install their app, maybe from their website or maybe from Play Store or iOS. I don't think if it's working for iOS at the moment, but I think it's mainly Android. Okay, so you install the Honeygain preference device on your device, and then connect the device to the net. After connect the device to the net, this is very easy and very interesting. You get paid sweet money. That is why it's known as Honeygain. Okay, 10 GB per day. You can see you can be paid up to $30. Hey, we're always on the internet, you're always on our phones. We are always actually browsing and using the internet. It's easy to use, good cost and gain, and I really recommend Honeygain. I've really seen a lot of reviews about it, and I see a lot of actually people making money, not much money, but $100 per day. That could really do good, something really good for you when you put the hard work in it. So the other site is PayPal, right? PayPal, and you may be wondering, how can I really make money from PayPal? As you can see, this is some of the payments that I'm able to receive. You can see $6, $777, $140. This is some of the products that I was able to sell. And what you can really use PayPal for is actually as a website to be receiving money. And this is when you are an affiliate to some of these websites that I've shown you. When you're an affiliate with Max Bounty, when you're affiliate with Upwork, all you just need to do is log into your PayPal account. And hey, if you don't have a PayPal account, what you want to do is you only need your Gmail or any email that you have, and you have already opened a PayPal account. So instead of logging in, here it will be telling you to sign in, and what will happen is you can be receiving very large sums of money using PayPal. The other website that you can actually make money online is Jvzoo. So Jvzoo, it's a different, and the reason why I really love Jvzoo and I've been able to really use Jvzoo to really launch my digital products is on Jvzoo you can create your own product, or you can just look for a product that you want to become an affiliate at, and you can promote their product. So here's this instant affiliate program with 800,000 active affiliates, and never pay for bad traffic again. So this is like Max Bounty, whereby they drive traffic to different affiliate programs. And I want to take a look at affiliate payments made easy. easy time you make a sale, the affiliate commission will instantly be deposited into your affiliate Jvzoo pay account. For here they can easily withdraw it, and hey, you can really withdraw your money from Jvzoo. So here are the two products that you can use with Jvzoo. You can become a product seller, or you can become an affiliate. And because you're looking for how you can make $100 per day using this site, let's focus on the affiliate side. So Jvzoo, it's always 100% free to use for affiliates. Okay, you keep 100% of the commission you earn. That's amazing. 100% of the commission that you earn, and there are never any hoops to jump through to get paid. So it's a very automated affiliate payment. As you can see, pay when you make a sale. So they pay you when you make a sale, and that's why on my videos I really emphasize a lot, if you really want to make good money online, you really need to have a product that either you've created on your own, or a product that you are an affiliate on, whereby someone else has created the product and you are now marketing it and you are making sales from that. The other site that you can make $100 per day is Clickfunnels, and the reason I love Clickfunnels is a system whereby it really helps you to actually market your product, and after helping you market your product, it helps you follow up and manage your online business. Welcome to the Clickfunnels affiliate program. Clickfunnels pays up to 40% monthly recurring commissions, and this is how you can really make really good passive income. And this is, I really believe, with Clickfunnels you can really make very good income online and start a very highly profitable business. And you can see affiliate opportunities earn up to 40% monthly recurring commissions, and that's why I really love Clickfunnels. And you can promote different products that they have already created for you. You can see affiliate best practices, 5 ways to become an awesome ethical Clickfunnels affiliate. They give you different trainings, and you can see this some of the books that you're able to trade to actually market, and they are very highly converting, and you can really make good money from Clickfunnels. And the other app, which is the last app, is Powerhouse, not app, sorry, website that you can really make $100 per day. It's known as Powerhouse Affiliate. You can become an affiliate with Powerhouse, and this you're able to build a profitable cost per action. Again, marketing business fast with consistent daily revenue. Want to own a high revenue, high traffic web property that earns revenue like this? So what happened with Powerhouse, it actually gives you some free, you can get started for free. You can see free starter package, $0 affiliate marketing certificate course. They give it for you for free, access to parts of the forum, affiliate program, support help desk, and also you join their private Facebook group. But you can also become a premium member, whereby you just pay $19 for 30 days. Then this is, they're saying that this is a very limited offer, and hey, you get all the trainings and you get all the coachings on how you can become an affiliate marketer, and that's how you can really make good money online. As you can see here, it has been able to pay off over $17,000. All right, conversions 572 clicks, and this is the last 7 days as I'm shooting this video. So hope you have got great content on this video. Hope you've gotten great value. If you want to know how you can really make good money online, how you can build a great, amazing, sustainable business, what I want you to do is, I'm sure you're watching this video on my YouTube channel. I've dropped a link on I've dropped a link below, whereby I'm talking about my #1 recommended way on how to make money online. What I want you to do is come and click on that link, and then after clicking on this link, it will be sending you to a landing page that has a very short video. And hey, I'm working with different individuals and I'm really helping them crash online. So if you really want to crash it online, click on the first link, whereby I'm talking about my #1 recommended way to make money online. And always remember to hit that subscription button below. Always remember to drop a comment and let me know where you're tuning in from, so that I may provide great videos and great content based on your location. Cheers, Be blessed, have a good time. Let's meet on the next video. Bye bye.